Yours truly, the priestess of Mother Nature, the forgotten goddess, Hana, and AH, just finished Spiritual Art March for Mother Nature, the forgotten goddess, now in Hawk Island, also known as Montreal, EST 5:11 p.m. And she came back, joyously wet, happily wet, festively wet, for Mother Nature poured lots of water. Mother Nature juice for healing is called water by us humans, but it is a holy juice. It is a holy juice, sacred water of life, blessed upon the heads of those who join the priestess of the forgotten goddess, Mother Nature, who now needs to change, for she is from head to toe wet. But a blessing. From head to toe wet she is, but it is a blessing. It's a blessing from head to toe for the goddess to bestow the blessing of wet.